It's a 2018 Buick Cascada. Experience a different kind of luxury with Buick. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sport seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Find it at Firkins. Come see us today. We're located between the Red Barn Flea Market and the DeSoto Mall on 1st Street.